It is absolutely free to sign up to this new platform that we have never talked about. They will pay you $16 again and again, no matter where you're coming from, because it works worldwide. You just need to use the second platform, copy something from there, and paste it into this platform. It'll only take you less than 30 seconds to do it. And if you stay until the end, not only will I show you how to earn money, but I will also give you one tool that will basically do all the work for you. So, make sure to stay until the end of the video. This is Hustleaholic, and welcome to the channel, where we will show you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Now, let's get into the video. So, this is the platform from which you will be making money. As you can see, they promise to deliver bigger, better, faster, stronger, and safer ways to make money online. Now, the way this platform works is by uploading each file over here. You will upload the files that they will promote to their users, and whenever someone downloads that file, you will get paid instantly. Uploading the files to this website is free, and the more files you upload, the more money you will make. So I will show you which files we will be uploading and where to actually get them for free for the best results possible. The reason why they're actually paying you is because whenever someone clicks the download button on this website, they will be redirected to some landing page for ads. They will be shown ads which they will skip, and as soon they skip those ads, they will be able to download that file which you have uploaded. So, this platform is just splitting their ad revenue with you. Both of you and this platform are making money from ads. Now, that's not really important for you. What really is important are the files you upload and the earnings you will make. It's as simple as that. I will explain to you step by step on how to do so. Now, if we go over to this section where it says Make Money right here, you will be able to see that you can get paid up to $16 per 1,000 downloads that you get for your files. In order to cash out from this website, you need to have at least $25. Once you have that, which is less than 3,000 downloads, you'll be able to cash out your earnings. If you want to make even more money with this website, you can refer your friends and family. If you have someone that would like also to make extra cash online, go ahead and tell them, "Hey, here's my referral link. You can sign up to daily uploads." And from there, you can get pages for uploading files. Or he can simply share it on social media, so you can earn extra income as well. In fact, you can raise passive income by referring someone and earning 10% of their lifetime earnings. What this means is that if they make $1,000, you will get $100 without lifting a finger, just because you referred them to this website. This website is called dailyuploads.net. Once you've opened the Daily Uploads website, I want you to click on the sign up button right here, so you can register your account for free. Provide all the basic information required for your account. Create a username here, enter your valid email address, create a password, retype it for confirmation, and optionally enter your payment details right here. Once you're done, click the Submit button right here. You have successfully registered for your dailyuploads.net. Before we get going with this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and leave a comment down below. Now that you've signed up to Daily Uploads, this is what you will see. You can click here to browse files to upload, or you can just drag and drop different files as well. Remember, the more files you upload to this website, the more money you can make, and you will earn money each time a file is being downloaded. 1,000 downloads will make up to $16. The more downloads you get, the more money you will make. It's easy, it's fast, and it's absolutely free. So, where do we get the files that we will need to upload at Daily Uploads? I actually recommend that you select the files that will be useful to other people. That way, they will want to download them from dailyuploads.net. Now, you can upload different files like PDF files, ebooks, tutorials, and other useful information which you have found online. Pack it up into a Word document and upload them. Or what I personally like to do is to use footages over at pexels.com. This is where you can get free stock photos and videos. Not a lot of people know about this website, but it is incredibly useful and can also benefit those who have files that are on pexels.com. The photos and videos are free, so you can head over to pexels.com right now. Click on videos right here, and that's going to give you thousands of different stock videos which you can download. This is free of charge, and you get full license to do whatever you want without any attribution to the author. Now, that's going to give you thousands of videos that you can use for your files. Click on the video and click free download right here. It's as simple as that. Now, I've got the video downloaded into my computer, free of charge and hassle-free. It only takes 10 seconds or less to do all of that, right? It's really easy and simple to download on pexels.com. Now, you can go back to dailyuploads.net and click on the Browse button right here. That will open up the folder where you can find the videos you previously got from pexels.com. Let's pick this one and upload it to Daily Uploads. I will simply double-click and click Start the Upload. It will only take a few seconds for the images. Now, this is the link which I can share to others. And even if I don't share it at all, Daily Uploads will get us free traffic from their own users to keep earning money. If you want to get faster results, copy this link and share it all over the internet to maximize the use of your uploaded files. Remember that the more people you get to download the file through the link, the more money you will make. And the great thing about it is that those who download the file don't need to spend any amount of money at all. They don't need to buy or sign up to anything as well. All they need to do is skip the ads. Download the file which you have uploaded for free, and you will get paid in an instant. There is no cost for them, and there is no cost for you as well. Social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook are good places where you can upload and share your files with others. YouTube is a great place where you can promote your links. You can also use Pinterest or use different forums from findaforum.net. It is an entirely free platform where you can get access to thousands of different forums that have hundreds and thousands of members. So you can join them, start a discussion, and give them your link. You can invite them and say, "Hey everyone, you can download free stock footage through this link. It is absolutely free to skip the ads." They will thank you for providing. They will thank you for providing them with the files to download for free in just seconds, and you will be able to earn money through it. Just go over to Google and search for files to download them and upload them to dailyuploads.net. There are those who are already getting results with it. That's it for now. I hope you find this video useful and entertaining. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Stay safe. This is Hustleaholic, and I'll see you in the next videos.